Hey, this is Bill with Raven Rock's Precision. One of the things that we're known for is selling more Norma bullets than pretty much anywhere else. So we have a few different variations of Norma hunting bullets to talk about today. And these are all lines that are currently produced by Norma in Sweden. We sell them here in the United States. So working left to right, we're going to talk about the different bullets that we have available. Keep in mind, we have most of these in every caliber that you'd want them for. So from 22 cal, 6mm, 7mm, 270, 30 cal. You got a pretty good selection, so your hunting rifle's probably covered. The first one we're going to talk about is a Norma Tip Strike. So the Tip Strike, this is a more of a classic bullet, upgraded with a polymer tip to increase the ballistic coefficient. So again, it's a something that you could use for white-tailed deer or other medium-sized game in the United States and be pretty successful with. The 22 cal and the 6mm are lighter bullets, obviously, and they have a lot of that explosive energy. So we've got like a case of the 22 cal Tip Strike over here, really good for varmints. So is the 6mm. That's a 6mm is a 76 grain, and the 22 cal is a 55 grain. It's a lot like a Swedish VMAX, to give you a comparison. Whereas the heavier versions of the Tip Strike bullets, they have a mechanical lock. So this increases the likelihood that the jacket and the core of the bullet stay together on impact, which is going to result in a cleaner kill and likely bring down your game a little bit sooner. So a really good bullet, have a pedigree for accuracy, and they're really popular, and we have them at a really good price point right now. The next bullet that we have is the Oryx. So the Oryx is a traditional bullet, cup and core design. The difference between that and the Tip Strike, other than the polymer tip on that, is that the Oryx is a bonded bullet. So the bonded bullet results in an increased weight retention. So it's really good for some of that larger game. The example we have here is a 30 cal 180 grain. We sold a lot of those. And there's 100 bullets per box for all of these. We have these again up from 55 grain 22 cal all the way up to 30 cal. And then we actually have 338 cal as well. So we have some bigger bullets for those. And when we get them in stock, we also have 358 and 375 Oryx. So it's a pretty popular bullet. It can be used in more places than just North America. And it's got that classic design, which a lot of people like and have loaded for years. And then the last one we've got is one of Norma's newer bullets, and this is the Bond Strike line. So Norma has Bond Strike in other calibers in 6.5mm, but the 30 cal, 6mm, 7mm, we're waiting on those to come back to the United States. We should have some of those later in the year, but right now we've got plenty of the 6.5mm 143 grain bullet. It's got a polymer tip. You'll notice that these are actually have a blue polymer tip, but look relatively similar to the Tip Strike. The biggest difference is it's a bonded bullet again, so you're going to have that that really high weight retention because of the bonded nature of that bullet. So the jacket and the core are going to stay together, and they're also really good for long range. So high ballistic coefficients on these. They perform really well. We have reports of being able to shoot very accurately out to 1,000 yards. Again, the range that you engage game is predominantly based on the ability of yourself and the capabilities of your rifle. So they can likely outshoot most shooters. We have these again case quantities. We have the Tip Strike and the Oryx all available. You're not going to find more of these Norma hunting bullets anywhere else in the United States than with Raven Rock Precision. So go ahead over to the website. You can shop by category, check out the Tip Strike, check out the Oryx, and check out the Bond Strike. We're sure you're going to like them.